These questions could be worrisome. But do not fret. Let's clear the air. The Delta variant of SARS-CoV-2, B.1.617.2, was the primary cause of the second wave severity in India. This variety was more transmissible and caused more severe illnesses. Currently, the Delta variety dominates the number of illnesses worldwide. The B.1.617 lineage brought us the variant of concern named Delta, B.1.617.2, and the variant of interest called Kappa, B.1.617.1, and another variant, B.1.617.3, is also being investigated. Scientists believe that the Delta strain has mutated further to become the Delta Plus variant. Delta Plus, the novel strain, has a K417N mutation in its spike protein, which has been scientifically termed B.1.617.2.1. The first sequence of this sort, according to media accounts, was discovered in Europe in March 2021. However, it was only on June 13 that it was made public. There were 63 validated Delta Plus genomes as of June 7, 2021. These are from Canada, Germany, Russia, Nepal, Switzerland, India, Poland, Portugal, Japan, and the United States, according to GISAID, Global Initiative on Sharing All Influenza Data. 6 genomic specimens from India were discovered to have the mutation. According to international viral strain consortiums which track COVID-19 sequences, the first Delta Plus sequence was identified in India in April. The prevalence of this novel variation is still low in India with around 40 detected samples. Apart from Maharashtra, the other states that have reported recent Delta Plus incidents include Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. The arrival of the Delta Plus form of COVID-19 in Bengaluru was confirmed by Karnataka's health minister on Wednesday. In Karnataka, 2 cases of the novel variations have been identified, one each in Bengaluru and Mysore. The patients are asymptomatic and have been isolated. Delta Plus has not yet been designated as a variant of concern. It is currently a variant of interest. The National Chemical Laboratory is now investigating the occurrence of the Delta Plus variant in the Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg specimens. In India, these 2 locations have the largest proportion of active infections. Coronavirus, like many other viruses, is constantly mutating, a process in which the virus's genetic code changes as a result of recurrent copying errors. Every successful mutation improves the chances of a virus thriving, producing novel variations, which induce more severe symptoms as well as a higher fatality rate. The Delta variation, often known as the double mutant version, was thought to be more infectious because it had 2 key mutations, called E484Q and L452R. The K417N mutation occurs within the spike protein's receptor binding domain, and this modification is significant because it is also seen in the B.1.351 or beta variant of concern. The spike protein, a key component of the coronavirus, promotes virus entry into human cells and thus infection. This is primarily why the Delta Plus type of SARS-CoV-2 has become a concern for an impending third wave. India's health ministry says that it spreads more easily and binds more easily to lung cells. One potential issue that has generated concern in the medical community is that the novel variety may be resistant to COVID-19 monoclonal antibody cocktail therapy. Some claims suggest that the new strain may be able to resist the coronavirus's immune response, although the evidence is mixed. Experts are actively investigating how this unique variant influences sickness progression and whether it causes severe COVID-19 infection. Furthermore, specialists are striving to understand several other aspects of Delta Plus, such as transmission, infectivity, and vaccine resistance. According to the experts, blood plasma from many fully vaccinated people needs to be tested against this variation to see if it exhibits any substantial immunological evasion. Studies are also being conducted to determine whether this variety was predominant in India during the peak of the second wave, which occurred in March and April. As of now, it is difficult to say if the new variant should raise concerns. However, caution is required. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Keep watching.